Hershey train going around the track is gonna throw the car. Let's get a closer look at it passing by. Gets his Hershey on it. There it is. Oats. And there's a okay. Now, this track cleaner, it's a track cleaner, like shaped like a eraser. I don't know, but you have to, if you want it, you have to buy it. Nicholas Smith trains for Bachman. It's good, and the trains in the middle, including these two boxcars and boxcar over there, and that pink one, are mine. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you again.